Now, for the second task, where I wanted you to practice ask before answer prompting, I came up with this prompt here, where I again assign a role and then set my goal, highlighting that I want an engaging newsletter email. I then add some extra context and I, for example, make it clear that, of course, email readers should be intrigued to click on those blog posts. So I want ChatGPT to write that email so that recipients really want to interact with that email. I then provide some information about the two blog posts, but then I also add this extra paragraph where I tell ChatGPT that it should ask for extra information in case such information is needed to improve the newsletter email before it's being drafted by ChatGPT. Now, with this prompt here, indeed, ChatGPT goes ahead and asks for some extra information, like, for example, who the target audience of the newsletter is and what the name of the organization that's sending the newsletter is, along with some other questions for extra information. So now here I'm then simply providing the answers to those follow-up questions. And with that, ChatGPT then goes ahead and drafts me an email that I could send as a newsletter that has the tone and wording and content that I want to have to get my readers to hopefully read those blog posts, to dive deeper, and to hopefully also share those blog posts with others. And that's therefore then here my solution for this second task, using this ask before answer prompting technique.